Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering what you need and protecting the original. Open the image in your chosen editor, then immediately duplicate the background layer so you can revert. Make sure the logo area is visible at 100% zoom. This helps you judge texture and color. Next, select the healing brush or clone stamp tool and sample near the logo to match grain and hue. Once set, begin with small strokes over one edge of the logo, work outward to blend. Now you continue by carefully replacing pixels where the Empyre logo sits. Use the clone stamp on patterned fabric to copy nearby texture, and switch to the healing brush for even color areas so the repair adapts automatically. Work in small sections, resampling frequently to avoid repetitive patterns. Make use of a soft, low-opacity brush for feathered transitions, then zoom out periodically to check for obvious repetition. Once to finish, review the edited area at several magnifications and on another device if possible, then export a new file while keeping the editable backup. If you see halos or texture mismatch, undo and try frequency separation for fine detail control or use content-aware fill with a refined selection. If ghosting persists, reapply small clone strokes and reduce opacity. Remember, saving incremental versions makes troubleshooting easier. If something goes wrong, revert to the nearest good copy and try a different tool or sampling point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.